Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we have a real treat in that we have a factory Vermilion Fire K-Code Falcon which has been made into this spectacular 351 GT replica. We'll fire up the engine. If you can hear me anymore, it is a beast. So we have a 393 stroker. We've got electronic ignition, Edelbrock manifold. I'll just show you the compliance plate so you can see factory 351, factory Vermilion, and it was originally black trim, but now it's running a white trim. We'll just go around the car and so then inside you've got this beautiful white trim, and it's only done not even 800 miles. Look at that, beautiful with that Goldie sunroof. That's factory fitted. In the back you've got the all the belts, everything, and like a really straight body on Bathurst globes. In the boot you've got your 36-gallon tank with the tie down for the spare bracket, spare wheel. You've got your tools. Very nice, with tramp rods. Listen to that nice burble. How good is that? If you're interested in this XY GT replica, a factory Vermilion Fire and factory sunroof K-Code car, can't get better than that other than a Vermilion Fire real GT, and you're going to pay 300 grand for that now. So give Mike Selby a ring, Australian Muscle Car Sales, 0414 278 604, and we'll have more on the Australian Muscle Car website later on today, but enjoy this beast coming through. Look how good that looks. Wow, beautiful car, really nicely done. All the money spent, just enjoy it. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching.